What if I tell you na with just one fee, you can get all access pa sa lahat ng live sessions, recording ng live sessions, lahat ng application book, final activity, checking ng resume, cover letter, portfolio, everything that you need, even if you have zero experience. Would you take it? Always get asked about this top VIP. Ano ba yung top VIP? Kasama ba sa top VIP tong klase na to? Straightforward answer, yes. You get 1-year all-access pass sa lahat ng trainings na meron kami. Ngayon and in the future, if we open new trainings, level 3 trainings, internship trainings, lahat nandun, isang fee lang yung babayaran nyo. 1,999 pesos lang siya. Ang dami-dami kasing nagtatanong sa akin, ano po yung Liga BS? Paano ba yung ganito? Alin yung ganito? Okay ba yung PPC? Ano yung level 3? Ano yung may internship? Lahat ng trainings namin, ang dami-daming gustong mag-enroll. Hindi ko lang nasasagot na sabay-sabay. The idea behind Top VIP is that a lot of people are not yet sure kung ano nga ba yung niche industry na gusto nilang pasukin. Or hindi pa sila nakakapag-decide ano nga ba yung skill set na meron sila. And ang daming nag-e-enroll sa amin, like 1-2 classes, and then after that, makakahanap sila ng client only to realize na yung napasok pala nila na industry ay hindi para sa kanila. Or yung role na ginagawa nila ngayon, hindi sila happy. Or they actually decided na, okay, 2 years na akong freelancer, what's next for me? Nandun na sila sa stage na yon. And of course, ang kasunod na step nun is magkaroon na ng semi-passive income such as building an agency. Ito yung mga tao na inspirasyon namin, kaya ginawa na lang namin tong top VIPs to make sure na hindi na kayo magdodoble-doble ng bayad. The goal for all top VIP members is to have this skill inventory. So, lahat ng 5 skill set na pwede mong i-offer sa freelancing, administrative, creatives, tech, support, and sales, matatap nating lahat yon, mapapag-aralan ninyo. Kasi nga, magkakaroon kayo ng access sa lahat ng trainings, pati yung mga system training sessions, meron din tayong touch base every now and then. Supposedly, every month yun pero hindi ako naging consistent sa pag-schedule kasi hindi nagtatama-tama yung schedule namin. And you will also have access sa kung paano mag-schedule ng one-on-one with me, and we'll have it as some sort of coaching na progressive. Depende sa grit ng tao, depende sa progress ninyo sa mga trainings, and depende sa current situation nyo kasi iba-iba naman tayo ng needs. Anyway, all of this you can get for just 1 fee. If you guys wanna join, i-click nyo lang yung link sa profile ko. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, i-click nyo lang to. 2 Instagram account ko, wag kayo malito. This is a new one, click nyo lang to. Or kung nasa Facebook page naman kayo, maalin dito sa 2 Facebook page na yan, i-check nyo na lang yung caption. Sa YouTube naman, nasa description box lang siya. You will then get to this page. Pag click nyo yung top VIP, nandiyan na yung form, nandiyan na lahat ng detalye na kailangan yung malaman tungkol sa VIP program. Lahat na ng padating na trainees from today or kung kailan kayo mag-enroll until August, makakasama na kayo sa calendar invite. Again, top VIP is 1,999 pesos only. It's an all-access pass sa lahat ng trainings na meron kami. And ano nga yung question dito? Certificates. Makukuha nyo yung certificates if makumpleto nyo yung buong process ng kada trainings. Halimbawa, nag-join kayo ng Reva, Zero to Reva. So, from live session or recording yung mapanood ninyo, nag-attend kayo ng application book session, nag-attend kayo ng final activity session, nag-submit kayo ng final activity for Reva, at nag-mock interview kayong for Reva, automatic may certificate kayo for that particular training. Sana nasagot ko lahat ng questions ninyo. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!